Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to farm organic polymer in ARK. Survival evolved using an easy method. Organic polymer is a crucial resource for crafting many advanced items and structures, making efficient farming essential for your progress. We'll focus on a straightforward approach that maximizes your yield with minimal effort. This guide will help you quickly gather the polymer you need for all your crafting projects, ensuring you have a steady supply. Before you begin farming, gather the right tools for maximum efficiency. A chainsaw is ideal for harvesting organic polymer, but a metal hatchet also works well if a chainsaw isn't available. Next, identify your target creatures. Kairuku are found in the snow biome, while manatees inhabit the desert areas. For easy transport of your harvested polymer, bring a high-level Argentavis or a similar creature with good weight capacity. Preparation is key to a successful run. Once you've located your target creatures, it's time to harvest. For Kairuku, simply kill them with your weapon and then use your chainsaw or hatchet to collect the organic polymer. For manatees, defeat them first, then harvest. The chainsaw provides the highest yield, so prioritize its use. Remember that organic polymer spoils quickly, so have a preserving bin or a refrigerator ready at your base to store your haul and extend its lifespan. This ensures your hard work doesn't go to waste. To further boost your organic polymer collection, consider taming a gacha with a high crafting skill. They can produce organic polymer over time. Another excellent strategy is to farm baby Kairuku, as they provide a renewable and consistent source of polymer without needing to constantly search for wild creatures. This method is highly efficient for long-term supply. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy farming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.